Hello everybody, welcome to part 4 of the series on Google Apps Script, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar. In this part 4, we're creating a series of events using Apps Script. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you get anything out of this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll get right into it. So to do this, we have to create a function, and we're going to call it add event series. Okay, and in that function, we're going to create a variable called event series. I'm going to set it equal to a new calendar app object or occurrence, whatever it might be. And then we're going to get the calendar by ID. So it's variable event series equals calendar app dot get calendar by ID. And in it, we're going to pass in the ID of our calendar. And if you remember from the first video, we have multiple calendars, and we're going to use this calendar here. We're going to click settings and sharings. We're going to scroll down to basically the bottom, highlight, copy, and set equal to this. Okay, great. So now we are going to create the event series. So by doing dot create event series, and at this point, what we're going to start doing is laying out our variables. Okay, so variable 1, what's the name of the series? Team meeting. Okay, you end the quotations, and then you hit comma. Okay, and then the next one. Well, what we need to do is to start declaring the start time of the series. When is the first event? When is the first event? And it has to be a date object. So to do that, we create new date, use the new keyword, and then the function date, and you pass into it. When will it be? It will be October 18, 2022, and then have to set the time, which is 3 p.m. and 0 seconds, importantly, and p.m. that's Eastern Standard. Okay, and then next is the end time. So I just copied and pasted that over. So the end time, we can just add 5 hours onto that, so it's gonna be 5 hours later. Okay. And then the third is going to be, what did we need third? Third was, looking back here, so we have the title, we have the start time, we have the end time, and then the third is the recurrence, right? So what is the recurrence? Well, the recurrence is calendar app dot new recurrence dot add weekly. This isn't right, that's not right. New recurrence dot add weekly, not exclusion, add weekly rule. And only on weekdays. So that's rule number 1. Okay, and then we have to pass into it this here. So only on weekdays, calendar app.weekday.tuesday, calendar app.weekday.thursday. So this is going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, and then dot until. And then it's going to be new date, and then we're going to set the end time. So when is the end time going to be? Let's say January 1, 2024. So there's the end time. And then we do logger.log event series ID plus event dot get ID. All right, and let's run that. Let's run this function called add events series. Let's save first. Apple key save. We'll run it. Okay. And we had a lowercase l where it should have been uppercase, so that gave us an error. Okay, let's look. So hopefully on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we're going to see a recurring event here. And there you have it. Okay, see how it's 3 a.m. and not 3 p.m. That's because I'm on a 12-hour time difference right now. I'm not on the East Coast. I'm 12 hours time difference. If we were to, well, just for fun, we'll go in here, and we're in GMT plus 07. GMT plus. Maybe if we did something like GMT plus 07:00, maybe that'll work. And we'll run that. Yep, there we go. There's 3 p.m. 3 p.m. and it's moved one of the days back. Let's delete all of these so that we can. So we can rerun it and see it right. Rerun it. Did it run? Yep, well, I ran twice. I ran it twice there, not a big deal. So there it is. That's how you create a series of events using AppScript and Google Calendar. If you enjoy this sort of content, please subscribe. I'm going to post some more. If you have any questions, if you want this code, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much.